what's up, crypto family? So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Beurax using your phone. You'll probably get a referral link from someone that's sent to you from your phone. You can easily create an account and add funds to your account right from your phone. So the first thing that you're going to need is this TunnelBear app. So you'll see TunnelBear right here on the left hand side. You're going to need TunnelBear because otherwise you're just going to see something like this. Whenever you try to click on their link, it's going to say not found, and that's because you need a VPN. So it doesn't have to be TunnelBear. If you're using another free VPN, that's fine too. I use TunnelBear. So let me go ahead and go back and turn my TunnelBear on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect him to Australia. So you're going to need to connect to Australia, so go ahead and connect it. He'll dig his little hole there. Connect me to Australia. And now when I go back to my whoever sent me their link, now I can actually go ahead and complete the process of enrolling. So now the other thing that you're going to want to do is whoever sent you their link, look at the top, it says Upliner. Make sure that that is their name. That is whoever sent you that link, it should have their nickname up there, right? So all you're going to do is you're going to fill in your personal information. When you get down to country, just make sure you select Australia as your country. That is key to allowing you to get into the back office. It is a company that is based out of Australia, so you just select your country as Australia. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information really quick, and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, so I went ahead and I filled out my information. I got to the next step. So it's going to say payment system wallet address. Now what you're going to do, the ones you're going to focus on here are either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So wherever you have your Ethereum or wherever you want your Ethereum sent to, whatever wallet that is or exchange that is, that's where you're going to hit, where you're going to put your wallet address. You're going to utilize that. So just for the sake of this, I have different wallets. I use different exchanges, but for the sake of this one, I'm just going to use crypto.com. So let me go ahead and go back to my crypto.com really quick. So I'll go out of here, go into crypto.com, and let me log into that really quick. Okay, so now that I'm in crypto.com, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit transfer. And then these are deposits. So this is where you're going to put your received wallet address. Wherever you're going to receive your money, you hit your deposit, crypto, Ethereum, and then there's your wallet address, right? So you copy your wallet address, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to setting up your Beurax account. In the Ethereum slot, you're going to paste your wallet address, and then you're going to hit next. And this is where you set up a financial password. It's a 6-digit password that you need to just kind of make sure that you remember. Go ahead and write that down whenever you create it. So I'm going to create that really quick. I'll be right back with you. And then what I did after that is I just hit sign up and account, and now you're in. So here is your back office. This is what it looks like. You'll see your USD, your BTC, your ETH. You're going to see that you're a silver consultant. You're going to also see your statistics, which obviously show nothing right now. Whenever you're ready to start your first contracts, these are where you can do it. Invest in ETH, invest in Bitcoin, invest in USD, whatever you want to do. So that's how you create an account. And now we're all set and ready to go. All you have to do is replenish, and that's a whole other video. But I hope you enjoyed it. Get excited. This is the start of something big for you. If you're watching this and you're not sure what Beurax is, let us know in the comments. Reach out to us. We can walk you through it. We can get you our link so you can sign up. If someone sent you their link or this video, go ahead and get back with them and make sure you have everything in place. But hey, until next time, happy crypto.